Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Audi A3 mirror cover. We'll start by adjusting the mirror glass to its innermost position, creating a gap. Then, using a plastic trim removal tool, gently begin to pry the mirror glass from its housing. This careful first step is crucial for accessing the clips that secure the cover. Take your time and work slowly around the edge. Once you have a good grip, carefully detach the mirror glass from its backing plate. You will likely find electrical connectors, such as heating wires, attached to the glass. Gently disconnect these. It is important to handle the mirror glass with care, as it is fragile. Set it aside in a safe place where it will not be scratched or broken while you continue.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you are finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. It really helps us out. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for music or even just setting a timer while you work on your car. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Now, with the mirror glass removed, you can clearly see the retaining clips that hold the mirror cover in place. There are typically several of these clips positioned around the cover's perimeter. Using your plastic trim removal tool, carefully release each clip one by one. Work systematically around the cover, applying gentle, consistent pressure to avoid breaking any of the plastic tabs. Once all the retaining clips have been successfully released, the mirror cover should now be loose. Gently pull the cover away from the mirror housing. Take a moment to inspect the housing for any remaining attachments or debris that might hinder reassembly. This is also a good opportunity to clean the area thoroughly before installing a new cover or preparing for reinstallation of the original one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.